Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the equation of the tangent and the normal line to a given curve. In this specific problem, the curve has an equation y equals the square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of x. We want to find the tangent and the normal line at x is equal to 9. Okay, but how do we find the equation of the tangent and the normal? First and foremost, we need to understand what is a tangent line. Okay, so let's start with the concept of the tangent line. For simple definition, the tangent line is the line that touches a curve without crossing it. Okay, when you say a curve, say there's a graph here. Say we have the x and y axis. Say at a given point, so let's assume this is about 4, so 4 on the x-axis. So this is the point corresponding to, or the point at x is equal to 4. Now the tangent line is the line that touches the graph at that point without crossing the graph, because I can have another line here passing through the point but will intersect the graph or will cross the graph. Okay, so this is what we call a tangent line. Now, what about the normal line? The normal line is the line perpendicular to the tangent line. So the normal line is the line that intersects the tangent line at 90 degrees. Okay, so that's the basic relationship of the tangent line and the normal line. So normally in a problem like this, where you have to find both the tangent line and the normal line, the first thing that you have to find is the equation of the tangent line, because the normal line will be derived from the equation of the tangent line. Please take note that tangent line and normal lines are perpendicular to each other, meaning in terms of slope, so say if the slope of the tangent line is mt, the slope of the normal line will be -1 over mt. Okay, keeping those ideas in mind, we now solve the problem by first finding the equation of the tangent line. Okay, these are lines, therefore we can express them as b, where m is the slope and b as the y-intercept. Okay, now in relation to differentiation, m can be obtained from dy dx, and the slope that we need is the slope, it's the m at x equals 9, because it says here that x will be, or x is equal to 9. So to find the derivative, we get the function y is equal to the square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of x. It is important that you rewrite the function so that it will be easy for you to differentiate. So this is 3 plus 2 x to the 1/2, everything raised to 1/2. Okay, so the square root, that's your 1/2, then you have the 3 plus 2, square root of x is x to the 1/2. So dy dx, or dy over dx, is 1/2 3 plus 2x to the 1/2 to the -1/2. So by the chain rule, so 1/2 goes down, and then you have 3 plus 2x to the 1/2, then -1/2 came from 1/2 minus 1. Then multiply it by the derivative of the expression inside the parenthesis. Derivative of 3 is 0, so that's just 0, and then 2x to the 1/2, the derivative is, when this 1/2 is multiplied to 2, 2 times 1/2 is 1. It's 1, and then x, so there's a 1 here, 1x, then 1/2 minus 1 will be -1/2. Okay, so the slope that we need is the value when x is changed into a 9. So you have 1/2 3 plus 2, 9 raised to 1/2, everything raised to negative 1/2 times 9 raised to negative 1/2. Okay. Some people will simplify this derivative in order for them to easily get the value once the number is uh, once the x is changed to its value. So for example, 1/2 3 plus 2x to the 1 negative 1/2 can be written into 1 over 2, that's your 1/2, and then the 3 plus 2x to the 1/2 raised to negative 1/2. This will go down as positive. Okay, let's do that step by step. 3 plus 2. I'll now change this to square root of x raised to positive 1/2. Okay, so imagine there's a positive 1/2 here, but positive 1/2 or raising it to positive 1/2 means square root. Okay, so don't be confused. So the negative 1/2 becomes positive after putting this in the denominator, and then the positive 1/2 is changed to the square root, and then times x to the negative 1/2 is 1 over the square root of x. Okay, so this expression here is the same as 1 over 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 9 times 1 over square root of 9. Okay, and then we simplify it further. So this is 1 over 2 square root of 3 plus 2 times square root of 9. So square root of 9 is 3 times 2 is 6. So this 2 square root of 9 is just 6. Then plus 3 is 9. So this is just 9. And then times 1 over the square root of 9, which is 3. And then equal to 1 over 2 times the square root of 9, which is 3, times 1 over 3, which is equal to 1/6 times 1/3. And 1/6 times 1/3 is equal to 1 over 18. So 1 over 18. So the slope of the tangent line at x equals 9 is equal to 1 over 18. Okay? Okay, so now that we know that the slope of the tangent line is equal to 1 over 18, then the equation for the tangent line y equals mx plus b is now 1 over 18x plus b. So the only thing that we need to find now is the value b. So how do we find the b? In order for us to find the b, we need a point that passes through the tangent line. And the best point that we can use is the point where x is equal to 9, because that is where the tangent line touches the graph of the function y equals to the square root of 3 plus 2 square root of x. But take note that at x equals 9, the y is equal to the square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of 9. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 times 3 equal to 3 plus 6, which is also square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 9, the y is equal to 2. So we can use this point xy, which is 9, 3, as the point for our tangent line. So this means 3 is equal to 1 over 18, x is 9 plus b. So 3 is equal to 1/2, that is 9 and 18, this is 2 and 1, plus b. So b is equal to 3 minus 1/2. So b is equal to, you can think of 3 as 6 over 2, so this is 5 over 2. So b is equal to 5 over 2. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y equals 1 over 18x plus 5 over 2. Okay? So this is the equation of a tangent line. Now to find the equation of the normal line, you just need the relationship of the slopes. If the slope of the tangent line is 1 over 18, the slope of the normal line is the negative reciprocal of 1 over 18. So positive to negative, and 1 over 18 will turn into 18. And then simply follow the equation. So this is y equals negative 18x plus b. So the normal line also passes through the point 93, so you can use that for your x and y. So this will turn into 3 is equal to negative 18 times 9 plus b. Negative 18 times 9 is around 72, 7. This is negative 162 plus b. This is 3. And then the b is equal to 3 plus 162. So b is equal to 165. Okay, so the equation of the normal line is now y equals negative 18x plus 165. Okay, so that's it. So the equation of the tangent line is 1 over 18x plus 5 over 2. The equation of the normal line is negative 18x plus 165.